Welcome to this video on the capacitor start induction motor. We will cover the principles and operation of this common and powerful single-phase motor. The physics challenge with single-phase power is that it produces a pulsating magnetic field. This creates equal force in opposite directions on the rotor, causing it to remain stationary and simply hum. The engineering solution involves using electrical phase shifting to break this symmetry. The capacitor start induction motor, or CSIM, creates an artificial second phase, providing the mechanical kick needed to start heavy loads. The four core components include the main winding for continuous running, the auxiliary winding, which starts the motor, the start capacitor, which shifts the electrical phase, and the centrifugal switch, which disconnects the starting circuit. In terms of stator geometry, the main and auxiliary windings are physically separated by 90 electrical degrees. This spatial separation is essential for creating a rotating magnetic field. The electrical phase shift is achieved using the start capacitor. The highly inductive main winding causes current to lag, while the capacitor forces the auxiliary winding current to lead, resulting in a 90-degree phase shift. The 90-degree physical separation combined with the 90-degree electrical shift creates a rotating magnetic field. This field mimics a three-phase power supply, inducing current in the rotor and forcing it to spin. The start components operate only intermittently. When the motor reaches 75% to 80% of synchronous speed, the centrifugal switch opens. The motor then drops the start circuit and transitions to running only on the main winding. The centrifugal switch mechanism uses spring tension to hold the switch closed at rest. Centrifugal force pushes it open at high speeds. This action is critical for protecting the starting capacitor from burning out. The CSIM's performance profile boasts a massive 300% to 400% starting torque, a high initial power factor, and full reversibility by swapping the connections of one winding. Common industrial applications for the CSIM include air compressors, industrial refrigerators, water pumps, and machine lathes. These are applications that require immediate heavy lifting against initial mechanical resistance. When comparing motor variations, engineers match the motor type to specific torque and efficiency needs. The capacitor start motor is ideal for heavy loads, while the capacitor start capacitor run motor offers premium efficiency for 24/7 use. If the motor hums and fails to spin, diagnostic logic points to either a blown capacitor, often from short cycling, or a failed centrifugal switch due to being stuck open or closed from dirt and mechanical wear. The complete system uses electrical manipulation and precise component timing to create mechanical output. The single-phase limitation is effectively solved, enabling the motor to drive heavy loads.